Hello everyone, welcome to our Creativity Delight. Today we talk on how to create a viral t-shirt design that sells. Today, we'll explore the key steps to crafting a design that captures attention and drives sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and ideation. Before you start designing, it's essential to understand your target audience and current trends. Conduct thorough market research to identify what's popular and what's missing. Look into social media platforms, marketplaces, and trending topics to gather inspiration for your design. Step 2. Unique concept development. Once you have a grasp of the trends, it's time to brainstorm a unique and engaging concept. Think outside the box and aim to create a design that resonates with your target audience. Consider incorporating humor, social commentary, or clever wordplay to make your design stand out. Step 3. Sketching and drafting. Now it's time to bring your concept to life. Start by sketching your ideas on paper or using digital tools. Experiment with different layouts, fonts, and imagery to find the perfect balance for your design. Keep the overall message clear and visually appealing. Step 4. Digital design process. Transfer your sketches to a digital platform, such as Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Pay attention to the details and ensure that your design is high resolution and scalable. Experiment with colors and textures to create a visually captivating and professional-looking design. Step 5. Test and refine. It's crucial to gather feedback from a focus group or your target audience at this stage. Use their input to refine your design, making necessary adjustments to enhance its appeal. Take note of any suggestions and implement changes that align with your original vision. Step 6. Marketing and promotion. Now that you have a polished design, it's time to create buzz around it. Leverage social media platforms, influencer partnerships, and targeted advertising to reach your intended audience. Develop a compelling marketing strategy that highlights the unique aspects of your design. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a viral t-shirt design that sells. Remember, it's not just about the design, it's also about understanding your audience and effectively promoting your product. I hope you found these steps helpful. Good luck with your t-shirt design journey. Thank you for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's